masuti ifwe tulefa yechalo pandi balila masuti ifwe tuleli.
Born beneath lower skies, the child that closes the mother's womb, but opens the birth of a nation, born of the waters of Zambezi, of Nzambe, of Nyambe, Makishi and the mighty Nyao, thundering sounds of Wudima and Namalwa, the stomping feet of Kalela and Mangwengwe, a vegetarian by protest, not taste, protesting a law that fed on rest, and you opened doors to brothers near, to strangers far away, giving them land, giving them hope, hope to walk freedom's way, a frontline flame, a non-aligned power, forging peace on principles of steel. You knew in giving lies the choice to voice for the voiceless, from the Cape to Cairo, Nicaragua to Pyongyang, preaching Ubuntu, that Pan-African spirit of human solidarity. What a star of hope in times of darkness, our sunshine after rain. So let it rain and let it rain. Rain, rain, come again, so we eat mushrooms again. Rain, rain, come again, so we eat mushrooms again. How like mushrooms in the morning, at noon it spreads itself, and in the evening it bows, bowing to Mother Earth to bring mushrooms again. So let it rain and let it rain, a lasting legacy that will ever remain forever on our mortal brain.
Ichalo chileya ushe tukachitasha